Hello boys and girls, so my name is Rainer, and in this video post I'll be sharing with you on how you can actually use the Fibonacci indicator in a trending market. I'll see you there. Okay, first thing first, so this is basically my Mt4 platform, stands for MetaTrader 4. And for those of you who are not familiar with it, it basically is a charting platform catered to mainly the Forex markets. You can go and Google it and download it for free. And now, what I want you to be, I would say, to look out for is basically the Fibonacci indicator, which is this one over here. And I'll drag it out. And you can see my Fibonacci indicator is a little bit different. Because I have this 138 extension, I have this additional 162 extension, and this 200 extension. So you may be wondering, hey Rainer, what does all this 138, 162, and 200 extension means? So basically it means this. This is the swing high, for example, and this is the swing low. So what it does is, it takes the distance from the swing high to the swing low, it multiplied by 138, and it's going to give you this area over here. So basically you have this move from here to here, you multiply by 138 is basically an additional plus 38, right? So this additional plus 38 basically terminates over here. Likewise, you multiply by 162, so you basically have another additional 62. So what it does is it goes down additional plus 62, and it terminates over here, this 162. And same for, multiply by 2, self-explanatory, I guess, right? So this you terminate at this 200 extension over here. So you goes all the way down to this 200 extension, and basically plus 100. So my Fibonacci tool is basically, I would say, modified, and this is the modification settings that you may want to be to look at. So under the tab Fibo levels, I go in all the way down. I had this modification. I added this negative 0.38 description. I put it as 138. I added negative 0.62, description 162, and I added negative 1, description 200. So this is how you're going to get the additional Fibonacci levels over here, here, and here. And now the question is, so Rainer, how am I going to use this edited, I would say modified Fibonacci tool in my trading? So our first thing I want to explain is this is mainly catered to swing traders in the market, especially for swing traders who are looking to capture, I would say swing traders who are looking to capture a swing in the market, especially so for a trending market. So if you're a swing trader, you are trading a trending market, and you just want to capture one swing in the market, this tool will come in handy. So first thing first, what I want you to do is to identify a swing high and a swing low. So because you look at this chart, this is a chart of New Zealand dollar, this is the forward chart. What you'll do is you identify a swing high and drag it all the way to the swing low. So you can see over here, something interesting is that price had a slight bounce at the 138, another bounce at the 162, another bounce at 200. So how you can actually use this is perhaps for a trade management perspective, you may want to take maybe 1/3 of your profits at 138, remaining 1/3 at 162, and the remaining 1/3 at 200. And honestly, right, this really depends on your trading plan and your personality. There's no right or wrong in determining how much profits you want to take off the table. Some may want to take off 50% at 138, remaining 25% at 162, and the remaining 25% at 200 extension. So again, this is basically up to you and whatever you're feeling comfortable with. So let me show you another example, right? A swing high. This is the swing high. I drag it down to the swing low, and you can see here, price had a bounce at 138 and 162 as well. So in the downtrend, you want to drag it from the swing high to the swing low, and vice versa. For an uptrend, you want to drag it from the swing low to the swing high. So this is a dollar Canadian, the daily chart. This is the swing low all the way to the swing high over here. Then you see price, it bounced off. Well, it didn't really bounce off the 138. It basically broke out of it, retested it. Bounce off the 162, bounce off the 200. And let me see if I can find another swing high and low. Yep, another swing low to a swing high over here. This is the swing low, this is the swing high. Notice we have a bounce at 138, 162, and 200 as well. So basically, I think you get a message. You basically want to identify the swings in the current market. You drag your Fib tool from the swing low to the swing high, or the swing high to the swing low, depending what trend it is. Then it will give you a projection of the 138 extension. It'll give you a projection of the 138 extension, the 162, and the 200. So you can use this information and perhaps anticipate that this is some area where price may have a bounce of it. So if it does bounce off it, right, you can look to lock in your profits. I would say take profits at these key areas. How much profits you want to take off it is entirely up to you and up to your trading plan. So basically, that's all I have for you boys and girls in this week's video post. I hope you find it useful. And if you have any comments, feel free to leave it below. With that, I wish you all good luck and good trading. I'll talk to you soon.